guys, welcome to English cooking channel for hybrid people. After so long I came back. I will come on your face every day now. Let's start the cooking process. Go for like a dog beach. I have taken all the bullshits. You can see, right? See it or else fuck off. And I'm doing today egg sundwach. You thinking again egg sundwach, fuck off. It's my kitchen, my video. I will show whatever I want. First thing, you should boil the egg. You know, right? How to boil? You dumfokks. If you don't know boil egg, how to boil egg, then you are the fuck off, guys. Fuck off. First take the dabri. You. Nowadays, yay! Yes. Treat like your girlfriend. All feminists are triggered. Fuck off. In the hatted dabri, put some S2. Put the napunsak, that is white color bullshit. And take a lemon and put it. Or else this will become white shit. Calcium comes out of and fucks the dabri. The calcium is like Johnny Sins. And dabri is like actress. Does it and goes off. That's why put lemon. Yeah, let me tell you some Purana. Why did I not make videos since for so long? Because look at the kitchen, guys. Fuck off. My kitchen renovated, my home renovated, everything is renovated, everything is looking next level, right? I know. The money I have invested, that's why I'm removing money now. You just have to watch, or else I'll squeeze your ass like anything, guys. Support me. Yeah. Nice, no? Nice looking, right? Because of this English cooking channel, I have done all these things. See, guys. This is how kitchen is looking, like a dark beach. See, fullish yammagi, I have made it. Yeah, their storeroom also I have done. The full vlog is coming in my Chetan vlogs. Keep watching. Take a new chop board also. If you don't subscribe, if you don't watch my videos, I will chop your saman on this one. Understood? Yeah, now cinematic shots of choppings. Yes. Throw it away. And yes. Remove the seeds. Make it LGBTQ. This tomato is now LGBTQ, QRST, LMSTY. Chopped, huh? Chop it like a dogly bitch. This is a sass fruit. Kyunki sass bhi kabhi fruit thi. Take some godfart chilies. Think these are your relatives. Chop them. Tomorrow morning your ass should remember what you had. Cause you are giving too much fucks to your ass. Wrong hole you are giving the fucks. Wrong hole you are giving the fucks. That's why don't give fucks to ass. LGBTQ people you should. Cause you don't have any other option. Ooh, la la la. Search them means fuck off. Think like it's your bedroom. Make it dirty. New chopping board is cooperating like Russians, guys. It's boiling like a young blood, guys. Young blood. RCBM's blood. Boiling this one only for 8 minutes. Not more than that. Let's start the omelette process. Go forward. Take all kitchen weed, natural Viagra, ketchup, fruit, and what is that? Another thing. Godfart chili. Yeah. Now what? What now? Tell me now. Bole to bindas naudi. Guys, join this powder. This is cinnamon seed powder. Some brandless Nora Fateh Telikan powder. Kitchen cocaine. Uppiginta ruchi bere illa. Damn. That means there is nothing taste better than the salt, and who agrees to this one is the smartest. That's me and Upi sir. Lemon acted like a protection. It didn't let the calcium to fuck this dabri. It's time to remove the clothes, guys. I will show you 8 minutes boiling egg style. I am making omelette out of boiled egg. Shell shock, guys. You will be shell shock. This is 8 minutes perfect boiled egg. Dumfokks, don't boil it for 25,000 years. The gas is not free and egg is also not free, and your dumfokks mind is free, I know. Chop them small. Small dick energy. Put all this into this one. This into this means this into this. This is for me. See, this is how you gulp it. Guys, take the fork and fork it, guys. Fork it. Blood chili powder, focus. Here comes Chetan's fusion. You might be wondering the how he's gonna make the omelet. You might be I know some people be like feeling like puking. Dumfokks. I know what you eat in restaurant. For bit burugness. Burugness means fluffiness. Put some vegetable oil. Yes, bitches. Yes, you can see it. Once you eat, no, you will feel Yes, gas littered like a dark beach. It's heated. No, it's getting heated, guys. It's getting heated. See, put oil. Put an omelet. Don't spread it. It's not your girlfriend's legs. Yes. 69, guys. No, 96, guys. Let's put pile sheets. Maida, guys. Dumfokks eat Indian food. That is more healthier than your yasol. Some people be like, who told my yasol is healthy? I know. Put a cheese, Put this omelet. That's it. No extra shit. There is no extra in this one. This video is just to make you full. Gantford, guys. Gantford. If you want to put some natural Viagra, slice it, put it, or just shove it in your ass. I don't care. Fuck off. You watched it, right? That's it. Now, cinematic shot. Fuck off, guys. Fuck off. I came back. There was nothing extra, I told you, no? There is extra. First, put some lubricant. Spread it. Spread it all over the black thing. And spread it. Wood means straight line. Just like you make cocaine lines, right? That's it. This is cocaine omelet. Take your black thing and move it. There and that side and this side. Or else one side it will get pleasure. Now, take the pile sheets. Put here. Put there. And flip it. Take some white spread. Yes. Spread it. Now what? What is now? Now take this one. Lick it. All those horny bastards doing cooking hornily, no? Like that video I should make now. Dumfokks, then only you will watch, I guess. Take this frozen sperm. Frozen cheese. Yes. Put it. Put it or not. Flip it like a ambati raidu. Full crispy, guys. Full crispy. See, came. That means it's cooked. White came, cooked. Ambati raidu. In kunde hakteve radu. Whoa. I will show you after satisfaction result. Hey, come, guys. Come na. Hey, sorry. Come na. See. Full came, guys. The cinematic shot. Cinematic. Came like a shot. Cinematic came shot. Yes, much love, guys. Watch it. If you liked it, it's better than Janice's video, I know. And all those horny assholes video. And cook it and eat it however you want. Fuck off. And if you don't subscribe, if you don't watch my videos, see. Squeeze you work, yeah. ಈ ತಾಳ ತಂತಿ ನಂದಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇಕೆ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬೋಲ್ಲ